Workiva is one of our greatest discoveries. It helped us not just in making our jobs more manageable, but also in making us more able to enjoy our personal lives.
It has enabled us to collaborate effectively and efficiently within the team, within the organization, and with our outside partners.
The team behind this platform really knows what the people in the finance and accounting industry needs.
And the Workiva platform proves that it can be done through automation, simplification of tasks, and elimination of unnecessary steps. I assist in managing the financial consolidation and external group reporting of AboitizPower Corporation. AboitizPower Corporation is considered as one of the Philippines' largest power producers. When I started working in the company, all the processes that lead to the publication of our audited financial statements were done manually. There were certain parts of the report preparation process, like copying and pasting, resetting up formulas, that were non-value adding and very time-consuming.
Before Workiva, reporting was both time and memory consuming. We had to work on separate copies, then consolidate all updates or changes for us to be able to do things simultaneously. Also, during our audit, our auditors used to send us an updated copy of the Word file for every batch of updates that we had to approve.
The review process also takes time as well, since we need to submit and resubmit when there are changes. The process itself requires a lot from us, and yet the feeling of accomplishing it manually when there are other ways to improve our work is not rewarding at all. Our organization values innovation as one of its core values. Having this in mind, the organization allows us to explore possible options available for us to do our job easier without compromising the quality of our work.
During the demo done by Workiva, our team was immediately impressed with its functionalities.
The flexibility that the Workiva platform has brought to the table convinced the organization to consider it as one of our solution providers.
One thing that convinced the team was the function of linking a spreadsheet to a document. It was really one of the best features of Workiva solutions, as it enabled us to automate and simplify our reporting process.
The complete traceability of data and digital audit trail down to a cell level, coupled with real-time changes, gives us the visibility to updates and provides transparency in our reporting.
Team members are assigned specific areas to update while simultaneously reviewing the contents of the report. Using the platform has really sped up the audit process, as the platform's functionalities enable us to immediately address our auditors' comments.
Now, with the help of Workiva, once data is already available, we can instantly finish it within a day with just a team of 4. Before, it would take us more than a day with not less than 4 people working on the preparation of the entire financial statements.
Workiva helped us with collaboration. Since we are working remotely, so my team members are everywhere, we were able to achieve our deadlines easier and more timely.
We would also like to commend their customer success, since they're very accommodating to all our queries. They always go the extra mile to make sure that all our needs are addressed, even after we're done with the project.
Various industries are moving to a world of digitization and advanced technology, and we accountants should also move in that direction. Workiva's solution is just one step in our journey towards that goal.
Since we now have more time to work on more important matters, the management is starting to appreciate how we are now able to have more time to check on unlikely variances and deviations, therefore adding more value to our output.
The one quote that I would use to sum up my experience with Workiva is, using the right tool for the right job makes all the difference. And Workiva makes the difference.